Hello, I am Monica. I am from Siddharth Group of Institution, Stream of Electronics and Communication. I passed out in 2021. I got placed in DXC Technology in package of 3.6 LPA. I am thankful for Ashok sir and Siddharth Management for sending here of JSPiders and QSpiders. I am actually thankful for Madhu sir and Roman sir to improve our technical skills and coding techniques. Thank you so much.
Hello, I am Vaishnavi from Siddharth College, Puttur. I am a 2021 pass out from EC branch. Firstly, I got placed in DXC Technologies with a package of 3.6 LPA. I heartfully thank Ashok Raju sir for sending us here, and I also thank QSpiders and JSpiders team for motivating us and teaching in an efficient way and placing me in such good company. Thank you.
And I heartfully thanks to our chairman sir and Dr. Ashok Raju sir and our college management who motivate us and funding us for the training. And also I would like to thank to Girish sir and the QSpiders team for helping us to crack the exams and interviews in a good company.
And after coming here, I gained many knowledge regarding this software industry. And here the trainers are very good and very friendly. We can understand everything by listening classes and doing presentations. The presentations and grooming classes are very useful to us. We don't miss that presentations and grooming classes. Even you don't know anything also, he will teach from scratch, and other trainers also like that only. And I have attended Java class by Manasa ma'am. She also teaching very well, and it's very useful to me. Thank you.
Speaking about my journey in QSpiders, mainly I should talk about Rohan sir. He motivated me very well. Then Manasa ma'am, because of Manasa ma'am only, I learned Java. As I said, I'm from mechanical background. I don't know anything about coding or C also I don't know. Manasa ma'am helped me to learn very well about Java. That helped me to get placed in test and so on. Thank you.
I heartily thankful Ashok Raju sir and our college management for driving us through this institute. JSpiders is the best place to learn coding and technical skills. So especially I would like to thank Madhu sir for fabulous training at Java. He has wonderful knowledge on Java programming languages, and I would like to thank Sushma ma'am and Mohsin sir. So I got selected for FTP batch on 10th September, and I have placed at within 20 days itself in Emphasis company. So I would like to thank who have helped for me to crack the interview. So I suggest my juniors and friends to join JSpiders for their bright future. Thank you.
I thanks to Ashok Raju sir and Siddharth College management staff for motivating us and judging for trainers and helping us to get place even after our graduation. And I am also thanks to Girish sir and QSpiders team for training us and placing in a good company.
I heartfully thank Ashok Raj sir and Siddharth College management team for motivating us and funding for our training and helping us to get placed even after our graduation. And also I would like to thank Girish sir and QSpiders team for training us and helping us to get placed in such a good company.
And I would like to thank Ashok Raju sir and Siddhartha College management staff for motivating us and training and helping get placed. And also I would like to thank Girish sir and QSpiders team and QSpiders training team and placing us in good company.
I heartfully thank Ashok Raju sir and to the whole Siddharth College management staff for motivating us and sending us here for training and helping us to get placed even after completion of our graduation. Coming to the QSpiders, I heartfully thank to Girish sir and to the whole QSpiders team for motivating us and helping us to get placed in such a good company.
I am heartfully thankful Dr. Ashok Raju sir and college management and staff to encourage to go to training and got placed in a good company. And I am also thankful for Girish sir and QSpiders management for getting a good job in such company.
I heartfully thank our chairman sir Dr. Ashok Raju sir for taking initiative and helping us economically and sending us JSpiders Bangalore for software development training even after graduation. And I also thank Madhu sir, Girish sir and whole JSPDS team for providing real-time training experience and placing us in such a good company.
I thank our chairman Dr. Konduru Ashok Raju Garu for his financial help and motivation. I thank Girish sir, Rohan sir, Manasa ma'am for their training and motivation overall the training period. And mocks and presentations are very much helpful for every student to get placed easily. So once again, I thank everyone.
I heartily thankful for Mr. Ashok Raj Garu and entire Siddharth family for motivating and encouraging me to come this far. And also thankful for the entire QSPiders team and Mr. Girish for placing me in a good reputed company.
I heartfully thank Ashok Raj sir and Siddharth College and management staff for motivating us to join in our training and helping us to place it even after our graduation. I thank Girish sir and QSPiders team for training and placing in such a good company. Thank you.
After completing my graduation, I joined in QSPiders. QSPiders is the best platform for non-IT students, and I recently got placed in Emphasis with the package of 3.25 LPA. I would like to thank Madhu sir and Rohan sir who are helping me to crack the interviews, and I would like to thank our mentors for making me technically good.
Thank to our beloved chairman Dr. Ashok Raju sir and Siddharth Institution staff and management for motivating me and sending here for training and placement even after our graduation is completed. I also thank Girish sir and QSPiders and JSPiders management for helping me to get placed in such a good company.
I heartfully thanks to Dr. Ashok Raju sir taking initiative and economically helping us and sending to QSPiders for software development training. I also thankful to Madhu sir, Rohan sir and all QSPiders team to get good placement.
QSPiders is one of the best platforms where everyone can enrich their technical knowledge from start. And I would like to thank everyone who supported me and gave me such good opportunities to improve my knowledge and to get placed. Thank you everyone.
I have joined these QSPiders in the month of August. I got placed in the Legato company and I am very thankful to the QSPiders team for helping us in placement event in this pandemic situation, and thank you QSPiders for everything.
I heartfully thank our chairman Sir Ashok Raju Garu and our management staff for motivating and sending us to the training institute, and I also especially thanks QSPiders team Basavanagudi for training us and helping us to get placed in a nice company.
I heartfully thank to Dr. Konduru Ashok Raju sir and my faculties for motivating us to join in QSPiders, which help us to got placed even after graduation. I thankful to Girish sir and QSPiders team for a wonderful training and build confidence in us by conducting mock tests and presentations, which is help us to got placed in the good company.
I with a lot of pleasure say that I am a student of Siddharth as I got placed in the final year of graduation itself. Our training and placement staff were so supportive and our chairman sir made it possible by introducing us to QSPiders, and I am very happy to say that I got placed in Hexaway through QSPiders only. They sent a lot of information to us through WhatsApp groups and through the different meetings they have conducted with students to interlink with students that made realize as we have that more potential in us. So they provided with a lot of needed information regarding the placements and companies that are recruiting. They have sent links of the companies that are recruiting, and this made us possible that we can also get placed in the companies. So it made easier to apply the jobs and for different kind of roles. And not only software developer or engineer, there were many roles which we can apply, and the package was also good. I am definitely thankful for our chairman sir and our placement cell and our QSPiders team for helping us through this. And this is very happy moment for me that I have got placed, and my family is really happy that I did my engineering at Puttur Siddharth and I got placed in the Hexaway company.
I would like to thank our chairman Dr. Ashok Raju sir for motivating us and funding us and for helping me to join in the QSPiders, and I would like to thank the entire QSPiders team for helping me in cracking the interviews and placing me in a very good company.
I thank to Dr. Ashok Raju sir and Siddhartha management team staff for providing us and funding for our training. I also heartfully thanks to Girish sir and Q Spiders team for training us and placing in such a good company. And especially I thanks to Madhu sir and Rohan sir. And Rohan sir taught us each and every concept in an easy manner way.
I was very thankful to Ashok Raju sir and the management team that they supported me even after the graduation to go to Q Spiders and get training, and I have placed in it. And I'm very much thankful to Girish sir as well as the Q Spiders team that they helped me very much to get placed.
I'm very much thankful to Ashok Raju sir and Siddharth college management staff for motivating us and helping us to get placed even after our graduation. And I'm very much thankful to Girish sir and the Q Spiders team to get placed in such a good company.
After that, I came to the Q Spiders and take the software development course. And the trainers are taught me that subject that helped me a lot to crack the interview in a top MNC company.
And I joined in Q Spiders in the month of July. Here teaching is very excellent and they providing interview well much, and I got selected for the top MNC up to 2 months.
I heartily thank to Dr. Ashok Raju sir and Siddharth management staff and for motivating us and helping to go to this training even after graduation. And also I thank to Manjuna sir and Girish sir and total Q Spider team for helping me to go to such a good company for training us.
After completion of my graduation, I joined in Q Spider. Q Spider is the best platform for freshers, and they followed step-by-step procedure and given instruction, and every day they conducted mocks and presentation. It was very helpful for cracking interviews, and finally I got placed in Wipro company. And I heartfully say thanks for Girish sir, Madhu sir, and as well as my mentor Sushma ma'am. They are very helping me.
And I'm heartfully thank you for Ashok Raju sir and also Siddhartha management staff for us motivating and also funding for our training. And also thank you for the Girish sir and also Q Spiders entire team for supporting us and placing in such a good company LTA. Thank you.
Thank to Ashok Raju sir and our college management for driving us through the institute J Spiders. J Spiders is the best place to learn coding and technical skills. So especially I would like to thank you Madhu sir for the fabulous training at Java. He has wonderful skills and knowledge on Java programming, and I would like to thank to Rohan sir for passing amazing skills in SQL, and because of it I got placed in Wipro. So I would like to thank everyone who made this journey successful and easier for me so that I can crack the interview, and I heartily suggest to all my juniors and friends to join J Spiders for the bright future and amazing.
My chairman Ashok Raju Garu had helped me a lot in financially. When coming to Q Spiders is a good place for freshers to get placed easily. When coming to my trainer name is Miss Manasa. She will teach each and every concept neatly and clearly. She will teach each and every concept beautifully, like we can learn lot of examples by her teaching. When coming to my company, I got placed in LTA.
2 days back, I joined in J Spiders. In J Spiders, Madhu sir classes is more helpful to me, and they provided coding tests and mock test presentation, as well as Q Spider also provided the same session and presentation skills mock tests, and it's more useful to the crack the interview session and written tests. And when I joined the Q Spiders, I don't know what is software engineer, and now I know what is software engineer. It is I believe J Spiders. Freshers also is what I said to freshers. If you want to get the job, go to J Spiders and Q Spiders. This is the more helpful to freshers, the good platform to learn new skills and enhance the knowledge and get the job especially. Finally, really thanks to Madhu sir and Rohan sir.
Before joining in the J Spiders, I learned the coding languages in a theoretical manner, but after coming to J Spiders, Madhu sir teaches such a way that we could easily understand and implement those concepts in the project because he teaches in a project oriented approach. and I learned SQL very easier because Rohan sir teaches in such a way that we could easily remember those SQL concepts throughout our lifetime. And the coding test and the mock test that are conducted in JSpiders are very helpful to regain our knowledge. And I finally thank my college chairman Ashok Raju sir for supporting and providing fund to get trained in this institute.
I heartily thank Ashok Raj sir and the entire staff who motivated us from the beginning and funding for our training even after completion of our graduation. I heartily thank Giri sir and entire QSpiders team who helped us for getting placed in such companies. Thank you.
And being a non-IT student, entering into IT field, it's a very big task for me. But here I say, PySpider, what made me, it's a very easy task for me. And I suggest you all to be a part of PySpider. And here the teachers are very interactive with the students. And for SQL, Rohan sir, he teaches subject very good. And not only subject, he motivates students in such a way that whenever or wherever, if you face a problem, you can solve it. And I'm thankful to our HR, Preeti ma'am. She helped me to get the job. Thank you one and all. I suggest you once again to join PySpider.
Coming to guidance, Akshay sir and Rohan sir helped me a lot to crack the interviews. And Preeti ma'am was our HR. Ma'am was helped me a lot. And finally, thank you for QSpiders.
After completion of my graduation, I didn't get any job. One of my friends said that PySpider will help you to get your place. After joining PySpider, I will get placed. And I will thank to the Akshay sir and Jivita ma'am for teaching Python. And finally, thank you to the HR Preeti ma'am. Thank you for PySpider.
So coming to PySpiders, I learned Python and SQL. My faculty name is Akshay sir and Rohan sir. The Akshay sir is and Rohan sir is a very good faculty. So I learned many things in that time. Finally, I got the job. So coming to Preeti ma'am, thank you Preeti ma'am and team.
As a non-IT student, the PySpider team was so supportive to learn the concepts and make us to analyze very quickly. So I am very thankful for Akshay sir and Jivita ma'am. They are such a fabulous trainers, and the Rohan sir is so supportive to learn new topics with n number of examples. His teaching was so quiet and inspirational to us. I am very glad to say about the HR management. Preeti ma'am and Sahana ma'am are so supportive and they make a friendly feeling. Thank you for giving a good support from QSpiders. I am blissfully told that I am going to start a new life with Wipro. Thanks for all the team who supports you to start my new life. Thank you so much.
And I heartfully thank Ashok Raju sir for motivating us and helping us for our training, and also funding for our training and helping us getting placed. And I also thank Giri sir for placing us in such a good company.